Hello, good afternoon, Sir Joss. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Welcome to my channel. And today's video, let's talk about information communications and technology, or ICT. I would like to tackle some topics regarding of ICT, which is uh, positive impact and negative impact. First one is I would like to tackle such examples on a positive impact. First is faster communication. Through online platform, anyone can easily access or communicate others, their loved ones, their friends, their family, especially in abroad. They can easily connect to them, uh, talk to them, even video calls. So they still see each other, though the distance is there. But ICT, regardless of a distance, still they can communicate with each other. Another one is easy to access information. Example, uh, as a student, we do research, right? But we used to uh, search information through online just to have precise and the conciseness of information. So we need a platform because in a split seconds, the information we needed is right there and then, right before our eyes. The next one is about business, retail, and trading. Uh, yes, as we can see, business of today's are very popular, but some business companies or private business entrepreneur or enterprise, their business, the advertisements of their business were through online, like they post their products on Facebook, they promote and advertise their products on TikTok, uh, Messenger, and so on. There were platforms that can show their business, and through these online platforms and through this online strategy or system, they can finally businessmen or business uh, entrepreneur can surely uh, meet their possible clients, their buyers, or a reseller of their products. And then the next one is ICT is best for employment opportunities. Example, you were searching, an individual were searching for a job in opportunities, and he or she cannot find a job in a physical form, but through online, like there's such a platform which is called jobseekers.com. Oh, example, with that platform, or jobhiring.com, or like that. So they can see or they can search over that platform which vacancies or which job vacancies suit their skills and knowledge. So it is easy to submit the resume, their application letters without even leaving their homes or their places where they live. So that's those are some examples of positive side or impact of an information communication technology. And the other side, which is negative, let's talk some. The first one is laziness, the rudeness of the attitude, and online gambling. This three for me as a student, as a mother, this is not good for a child, a young people of today, because some, but not some, but mostly our young people of today were sluggard, lazy. When you ask them to do such certain tasks in their homes, they fight back at us, they fight back at us rudely, as if they were their levels. And especially there were individuals who are most addict on online gambling. Example of, with that is the so-called scatter. So it can be easily destroy the mindset of a private individual to to face or to caught by that negative impact of ICT. As we can see, the even the very young child, they know how to scroll their cell phones, they know how to watch such movies online or cartoons. So that's not good for their minds, their brains, their memories. That's not good. The other one is this this one is for a student like me. No more library research needed. Why? Because mostly of a student rely on a chat GPT, Meta AI, Google, or any website or platforms that can answer what they were searching for. The physical library, the physical book, they don't need it, but all they need is the e-books or any platform online, any educational platform online. They need it more than the books, physical itself. The next one is the illegal websites and platforms. There were these illegal or those syndicates that were using websites and platforms. But those websites and platforms are illegally uh, headed and managed by an evil one. Example, they use messenger to communicate the family of their victims. Example, human trafficking, human for ransom. They will they will communicate the family of their victims through messenger, through texting or calling. And then hacking. Hacking is illegal. They used to destroy the other company's data. They have everything which is important to that certain company. Those are illegal. And then another one is uh, they were using that to do a drug. Uh, what do we call this? The drug cartel. They were using platforms or websites to connect with their clients, to their victims, to send their drug cartel to such place, and those illegal drug pushers out there will pick up those uh, drugs, illegal drugs. So it's not good that they use ICT. Another one is about, this is, for me, this is more important about mental and emotional health of an individual, especially young people of today. Example, they called it just a little problem, like for example, they have a family problem, they have boyfriend girlfriend issues, and then uh, they they think of anything. They think of themselves, I am useless, I am not good as his, I am not good as her, I want to it's better to end up my life. The suicidal mindset was in their minds already. As we can see, as we heard from the news, there were young people, young men, young ladies who jumped up on the cliff, on a cliff, just to uh, stop being hurt. They called it depression, anxiety, and so on. So we need to use information communication technology or ICT in a good and minimal way, not so drawn with it because it can really drag you down to a negative impact about it. So that's it for this afternoon. I hope you have learned something, and I hope I opened up your mind how ICT is good on the other side, but there's bad on the other side. Uh, just like just like the sayings, if there is an action, there is a reaction. So the positive side is an action, and the negative side is the reaction. So that's it for this afternoon. Bye.